Hey, this is Don. Let's talk about the airport rematch incentive from Uber. It is a great program because now I do not wait at the airport and I'm still making tremendous money being a rideshare driver. Okay, one day I made $144.16. You can search that on YouTube, Uber done 1946, and put in the $ 144.16. Pull up that video and look at it. Also, another day off 2 destination sets for that day. That's all you get with Uber anyway, too. But I made $201.68. You can search that on YouTube. Pull up that video, look at it to see how I did just that, because you can manipulate it and do it over and over again. I'm probably going to try it today. Now, let's talk about the Rematch program. First of all, if you have not heard about it, and I don't know who haven't, but just in case, it just means that if you work the city for Uber and you just so happen to get a ride to the airport, they will reward you for working the city. They don't want you waiting at the airport an hour doing nothing when people in the city need rides where they're going to be going. So they want to reward you if you are working the city. You get to the airport and within about 1 minute you're going to get a rematch to take somebody, and sometimes it's a significant ride being the airport. And I look at the queue at the airport and I can see over 50 drivers waiting in line at my airport. Of course, I'm in a mid-sized city, so it'll be like 50, 55, 60 drivers waiting, and Uber will put me at the top of the pack and I get a rematch in 1 minute. Hey, some of y'all gonna say that's not fair. Well, hey, that's Uber. Talk to them about whether it's fair or not, but hey, since it's there, I'm using it and it works beautifully. But here is how you can make sure that it works for you, because I did do a video when it wasn't working for me, and I'm correcting that video now, telling you it does work if you use it properly. Here's how to use it properly. When you get to the airport, first of all, you don't cancel your ride to the airport until you are finished with that ride. That means they got to get out of your car and get the luggage and everything, and then you complete the trip. That means the trip has ended, because your relationship with that passenger has ended. Because you don't want to turn your app off, then you're helping somebody with luggage, you get a destination rematch and you're outside your car and you missed the rematch. And whenever I missed a rematch, I don't get a rematch. If you miss it, you lose it. So yeah, and that's the way it should be. You don't complete the trip until the trip has officially ended, and it has not ended until the passenger is completely out of your car, and that includes their luggage. Then you turn off that, you complete that trip, and you're right at your phone or tablet where you can see the rematch happening. Now, it may not happen instantly, because somebody at the airport will need to be requesting a ride. Now, with a mid-sized city like mine, sometimes you got the time of day that is not a popular time to pick somebody up at the airport, and then you get those times where it's jumping. Now, I have gone at times and didn't get a rematch, but here's how to best ensure that you do get a rematch. Here it is. You don't speed away from the airport. Now, my airport, you do have to legally get the hell out of Dodge, or the police is going to look at you and tell you to move on. So you just can't hang around at the terminal. They're always spooked with this terrorism stuff, and I hope I don't look like a terrorist, but I don't know. Somebody, when I was in Africa, somebody thought I was a Somali terrorist. No, I'm an American. Here's my passport. Okay, back to the subject. You want to get out of there, but you don't speed away from the airport. Take your time. The speed limit is 15 miles an hour at my airport. I'm doing 15 miles an hour. I'm doing sometimes 10 miles an hour, easing my way so that I can get that destination set when someone requests it. Now, I have more than one terminal, of course, so I'll go to the next terminal, and then I'll double back to the original terminal. And I'll do that I will procrastinate for about 5 minutes, because that's all it takes to get a rematch if you're really going to get one that day. So that's it. I've spent enough time on this video, 5 minutes. Let's close it out. Look, I'm subscribing to get 1,000 people. I need 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed to me, please do. And if you have, thank you for being my friend. And I'm going to promise you more and more great information, good solid stuff, not foolishness, but solid stuff that helped me make $1,000 a week. That's real. Hey, if you haven't seen my $1,000 video, I'm showing you where I'm making $1,000 with my my financial report from both platforms and my tips and stuff. Hey, now it's 6 minutes. Gotta go. Bye bye.